Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. And today, it's actually a double tip. We're talking tulips, 2 tulip tips. How fun is that? First, when you get your tulips in, leave them in the sleeve. Don't take that off. That keeps them upright as they rehydrate. Just go ahead and cut them. Give them a fresh cut. And set them down into the water. And then leave them sleeved until you're ready to design. At that point, make your arrangement, make it beautiful. Then, if you want them to stay upright, remember that tulips grow to the light. So to get them to stay in place, turn the lights off. Put them in a dark cooler or a dark room. And then when you take them out, they'll be exactly where you put them. Now you know 2 tips for your tulips.